What do you get when you cross a rock lobster with a crab walker? Hyundai's latest concept vehicle, that's what. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech, simply head over to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter. Now, unfortunately, it won't carry 20 of your closest friends to a beach bonfire. In fact, it's not even close to the size of a whale, but what it can do will absolutely blow your mind. This tech marvel takes city driving to a whole new level. The best part? It may just end the dread of parallel parking. Yes, you heard that right. Hyundai's new electric vehicle, or EV for short, has a rather sideways approach to getting around town. Picture this, effortlessly gliding into that tight parking spot in a bustling city street without worrying about tapping the cars in front or behind you. How, you ask? Well, Hyundai recently demonstrated the car's crab mode, a feature that allows a car to move sideways by independently controlling each wheel. Beyond crab walking, this car is all electric, not just doing wonders for your parallel parking skills, but also for the environment. Hyundai hasn't released specific details yet, but knowing them, we can expect competitive range and charging capabilities. So folks, do you consider yourself a parallel parking master? Or do you think Hyundai's new parking feature may make your life a little easier? Let us know, we'd love to hear your thoughts. For more updates on all your tech developments, visit cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.